Hey everybody, Jim Gray here. All right, so we had 1,000 subscribers today, and we went over 125,000 views. So that's awesome. And it says I have 220 in videos, but for some reason, but I have like I think 331, I believe, or something like that. I'm not sure why it's counting like only this amount. And let's see. So yeah, thanks for being subscribers. That's awesome. We're at 1,001. Hopefully it can keep growing. And let's see what we have today. Right now we're going to come over here to coin market cap, and Bitcoin currently is at 15,000. So it's at, just right now it's at minus 4%, almost 5%. Ethereum's down right now. Everything's in the red right now. Ripple's down 23%. Wow, Ripple's in the threes, and that's down in the twos right now. So let's see what's going to happen with that. Litecoin down 9%. IOTA, this is something I've been hearing about. It's down. Maybe if it goes down enough, maybe I should buy some. Consider it at least. Monero's down right now. So look, Neo's up, and Icon is up. Okay. Let's see, Verge. This is the one I've been hearing about. Now, Verge is up 25%, and this is something that I've been watching over the last week and a half. It looks like it's up. Wow, 25%. Got a big climb right there. Hey. Let's see, where are we going to go? Oh, Dogecoin. I'm still looking at Doge. All right, it's down 11%, but it's still kind of up from where it was like a few, like last week or whatever. It kind of climbed up to like around almost hit 2 cents, and now it's kind of slowly coming back down. We'll see where it goes. Maybe it'll come back up again. All right, let's see. And my other one, Electroneum. I love this stuff. So Electroneum did hit 22 to 23 cents, and right now it's at 16 cents. So it's down 6% right now, but it's still kind of up, but just not up as high as it was a day or two ago. All right, that's pretty much it for this right now. So thanks guys again for subscribing. Let's see, for watching the videos on my channel. 1,001 subscribers. That's awesome. And I hope you guys, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. The more subscribers, the better. And also, please feel free to share the video. Also, please feel free to hit the like button, smash that like button, and also feel free to share the videos. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.